Today we're comparing the Lumix 12 to 60mm versus the Sigma 17 to 50mm, and shooting everything wide open except for the last group of comparison. So number one, image quality is really similar. They are both very sharp, and the Sigma may be just a little bit, tiny little bit better. Both have very nice bokeh, but Sigma clearly has shallower depth of field, plus at 50mm it gives you a greater compression, thus more smooth bokeh. Lumix has much closer focusing distance, so it can be much more convenient when you want to shoot something up close. Sometimes the Sigma shows a little bit of vignetting. It depends on the focal length as well as the focusing position. Stopping down to f6.3 on both lenses. They're both very sharp from corner to corner. Can't really tell a huge difference. So overall, I think the Sigma is worth the upgrade. It costs only 300 euros or dollars, and you can get much better bokeh, and the range is a little bit limited, but the image quality is not discounted.